breather tube going to the top of the intake. Disconnect the connector for the air temp sensor. 8mm or flat screwdriver blade. Take the clamp off the air tube to the airbox, to the throttle body. Pull down on this tab here. There's one on the other side. One over here. Do the same thing. Now you need to remove your air temperature sensor. That's a twist counterclockwise. There's a couple of tabs in there. Once it turns and stops, just lift it up. So now I'm going to take the old air temp sensor and transport it over to the new cover. Twist and turn. Now you can see how they have the 3 prongs on the back, and that is going to line right up with those 3 right here. So we're going to put it in like a hinge, bring it down and let it snap, and I'll use a screwdriver to give it a little extra because it's kind of a tough. There we go. Do the same to the other tab. Now I'm going to take the air tube to the throttle body, slide that on. Don't forget my air temp sensor. And then the vent tube going to the valve cover. Now I'm going to take my 8mm socket or flathead screwdriver and tighten this up. Make sure you line this notch right there with the plastic on the cover. And make sure it's snug